Kumain kami sa labas. Feel nice?
I don't want salad.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Jackie, you like it? Yeah. Ito yung sa akin. Ayan. Hello everyone! Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nakatira sa United Kingdom. So for today's video is pangalawang araw na namin dito sa Turkey. So mamaya gagala kami at saka kakain. At saka kakain sa mga restaurant dito. So samahan nyo kaming mag-explore dito sa Antalya, Turkey. Doing with my bag. Took the bracelet. Is that your bracelet?
Mommy, it's stuck by.
That's Cassie.
Mommy, it's stuck by.
Is that yours or Cassie or Philia?
But I chose it.
You chose it. Big portion. Nice kasi? Kumain kami sa labas. Feel nice?
I don't want salad.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Jackie, you like it? Yeah. Ito yung sa akin. Ayan. Tunaw kasi. Kasi yung full.
I like
Yan, naubos na kasi pakaroon at saka manok niya yung sa akin niya kinain. Si Pilya naman, may konting manok na tira. Kinain niya yung makaroni niya yan sa akin. Halos inubos ko lahat. At yan kay Jackie, hindi niya naubos. So it's our second day here in Antalya. And gumala kami dito sa maliit na mall. Yan, tapos na kaming kumain. So ngayon is gagala na naman kami at hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. Siguro mag-window shopping at saka pag may magustuhan is bibili kami ng kung anong gusto namin. So it's our second day today and the first thing ginawa namin is nag-malling kami. Ayan, dito kami sa mall. Tapos kumain muna kami bago kami gagala. Say hi. You know what you want now? So hindi pa namin alam kung anong gusto namin bilhin. Si Cassie,
I'd like to go downstairs.
si Cassie gustong pumunta sa baba kasi doon daw ang may nakita daw siya doon na gusto niyang
You just
bibili.
want to go downstairs.
Tama, let's go downstairs. Kasi na bored kasi pinalaro ko si Jackie sa soft play tapos sabi niya it's boring daw na maghintay sa sister niya kasi are you bored? Yan si Philia, okay lang sa kanya. Is it alright for you to wait for Jackie?
Yeah.
Until she finish playing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So si Philia, okay lang sa kanya. Nandito kami sa mall. Ayan yung mall. Background likod namin. So si Philia, okay lang sa kanya. Kasi ano naman ito siya, yung understanding. Ano lang talaga, madita lang minsan. Pero si si Cassie, nagalit. She's very grumpy. Hello, Mrs. Cooker. What are you making? Yan si Jackie naglalaro dito sa soft play. Isa for you. Sophia. How about for Cassie? How about for Cassie? Do you want cheese soup?
I want to go there and get some.
Iwas ang display ang mga dami ang mga Turkish sweets delights. Dami. Kasi they have the Turkish delights. The one you like. Ito yung mga mga Turkish sweets. Ang dami. So what do you like, Jackie? So choose what you like. Ah. Wow.
No sugar, no construct, all natural.
Yeah. And tapos na kaming mag-shopping. Yung mga anak ko, wala silang napili. Ang napili lang namin is mga Turkish delights. So, bumili kami ng marami. Hawak-hawak ni Cassie. Yan yung nabili namin. Puro mga sweets. Traditional Turkish sweets ang binili namin. So, bukas, siguro bukas babalik kami dito para gumala ulit. So ngayon papauwi na kami. Are we going home? Pila, are we going home? Kasi, are we going home? Where do you like to go after? Where shall we go next? Kasi, where shall we go next? You don't know. Shall we go home? Shall we go home? Shall we go back to the hotel? Ito yung labas ng mall. Ang ganda, oh. May ano doon, Ferris wheel. Para siyang London Eye. Tapos Ferris wheel pala. So, ito yung labas. Ang ganda. Did you enjoy your day? Yeah, nag-enjoy daw sila. So, ito yung mga yellow, yan yung taxi. Ayan, may pusang gala na naman, oh. Daming pusang gala dito.
No.
So, ito yung Antalya, Turkey. Jackie, did you enjoy your holiday? Yeah. Where shall we go tomorrow? Shall we go tomorrow?
Aquarium.
Aquarium. Okay. Let's ask Papa, okay? Yan, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. So, papunta na kami dun sa room namin. Napagod kami sa gala.
We got the yummy sweets from the sweet shop, which is better than Molly's. If there's sugar-free.
Yan.
Because Molly's is healthy and chocolate.
Aha.
That was actually boring.
Yeah. Yan, napagod kami. Ako din. Napagod ako. Kakalakad. Tapos, pagdating dito, aakyat pa sa hagdan. Dahil walang elevator. So, ito yung napamili namin sa mga Turkish. What is called, Villa?
Chocolate sounds. Got one.
No, it's, ito yung napamili namin sa traditional Turkish sweets. So, ayan. Ito yung napili ni Jackie. What's that?
This is a chocolate stone.
Chocolate
It has
stone.
some soft chocolate inside.
Tapos, ito naman si Cassie. Pumili siya ng mga Turkish baklava. Ayan, different. Classic-classing mga, flavor. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung napili ko. Ayan. Yung walnut sa inside. Tapos, fruit juice na parang jelly sa, ang coated niya. Kinote ng, basta fruit. Parang fruit jelly. Masarap yan. Tapos, ito din na, yan. Yung chocolate na roll siya. Tapos may tahini, tsaka baklava inside. At yung chocolate kafila, tsaka sa akin naman, ang pinili ko is yung pistachio sa labas. Tapos inside na mayroong baklava, tahini, honey, at tsaka another pistachio. Ayan. So ito yung nabili namin sa mall. Kasi wala silang mapili na damit at saka sapatos. Ayaw daw nila. Kaya ang binili namin is mga sweets. Traditional sweets nila dito. Ayan. Okay, so dinner time na naman. So lumabas kami ulit ng hotel. Tapos maghahanap na naman kami na ngayon ng ibang restaurant na makakainan. So this time is hindi muna seafood. So siguro karne muna kami ngayon. Say hi. Where are we going, Jackie? Are we going to find a restaurant? Yes. Ayun, si Pelia, si Cassie, saka yung papa nila nauna na. So, maghahanap kami ngayon kung saan may masarap na kainan para dinner namin. Ayan, binigyan na kami ng free soup. Ayan, kay Jackie.
Now we're buying what I'm
Pelia,
together.
kay Cassie.
I love sweet
Tawa ko at sa akin. Meron ding free salad. Ayan. Hindi pa yan siya including sa inuwi namin. Jackie, eat your soup. Jackie, eat your soup. Soup, eat your soup. Ang order ni Jackie. Mozzarella pizza.
I'm gonna glamorize my
Pickled cabbage. Tapos Hindi pa naman masarap tomato, onion, cucumber. Ayan, something else. Yun, lettuce, tsaka may minced na tomato. Then this one, lettuce with something, ano to siya, hindi ko alam kung ano to, brown na to. Tapos with lemon. Ayan. So, sinerve nila yan habang naghihintay kami ng order namin na maluto. Si nice. Si nice. Nice? Good. Yan, big portion. So, this is my order. Ito yung order ko. Yaki's order. Philly's order. Pareho kami ni Philia. Because he is chicken.
Purple grapes. Two people have got
Yan,
purple
big
grapes.
portion ang serve nila dito.
Let's take the one off. Oh, they're really messy.
Eh, you finish? You full? Full? You full?
Yeah,
No.
I am.
You finish?
No, I mean, yes, I'm full. But I'm not finished.
Eh, but you don't finish your food.
You're on your foot.
Eat all your food kasi. It's very big portion. So it's too hard to eat it all.
Let's try golden cheese cookie.
Yung sa akin, ang daming pinapay, hindi po naubos. Yan, tapos na kami kumain. So, time to go back na naman ulit sa hotel na inistayhan namin. Tapos bibili pala kami ng tubig sa market bago kami pupunta sa aming room para kung mauhaw kami mamaya, may mainom kami. Busog na busog ako. Ang dami kong nakain. Gabi mga ano dito, mga restaurant, yung one portion nila malaki. Malaki yung serve ng ano, isang portion ng pagkain.
Hi, we're going to the supermarket.
Are you
I'll
full?
go in the market.
Are you very full now?
Yes. Mommy,
Yes.
I will go in the market.
We're in the market now, yeah.
Mommy, I
Maraming salamat for watching our video. I hope to see you soon. Wait, I forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see our videos again soon. Thank you so much. Bye. Lami kaayo.
Lamig ka. Sure.
Maraming salamat for watching. I really hope you like and subscribe and turn the notifications bell to see when I post more videos. Bye.